The Friendship of the Nations Palace is an iconic cultural and public building located in Tashkent. Originally constructed in the 1980s, the palace was built to symbolize the unity and friendship among the various ethnic groups and nations residing in Uzbekistan. It serves as a venue for cultural events, conferences, and celebrations, promoting cooperation and understanding among diverse communities. The building features a unique architectural style that combines modern and traditional elements, reflecting the rich cultural heritage of Uzbekistan. Its design includes expansive halls and beautifully decorated interiors suitable for large gatherings and performances. The Friendship of the Nations Palace hosts a variety of events, including concerts, exhibitions, and festivals that showcase Uzbekistan's diverse cultural landscape. It often serves as a venue for national celebrations and gatherings that bring together people from different backgrounds. As its name suggests, the palace stands as a symbol of unity among various ethnic groups in Uzbekistan, promoting social harmony and collaboration. It embodies the principles of friendship and coexistence that are central to Uzbek society. The Shomakhmudovs Monument in Tashkent is a notable statue dedicated to the Shomakhmudov family, who were prominent figures in Uzbekistan's history and culture. The monument was opened in May 1982 on the Bunyodkor Square, which previously bore the symbolic name Friendship of Peoples. The monument is dedicated to the heroic feat of the Shamakhmudov couple, who adopted 15 orphans of different ethnic backgrounds. The orphans had been evacuated to Uzbekistan during World War II. The family story was highlighted by the Soviet government as an example of Soviet internationalism and the friendship of peoples. During the years of independence of Uzbekistan, the monument was dismantled and moved several times. The Friendship of the Nations Palace is considered one of Tashkent's important landmarks. Its distinctive architecture and role in cultural life make it a notable site for both residents and visitors. The Friendship of the Nations Palace is a significant cultural institution in Tashkent that plays a crucial role in fostering unity and collaboration among the diverse peoples of Uzbekistan while serving as a hub for various cultural and social events. Abdul-Kasim Sheikh Madrasa is one of the prominent educational institutions in the region. Founded in the 19th century, it represents a significant part of Uzbekistan's rich Islamic heritage and educational tradition. It is next to Parliament House with Blue Dome located in Tashkent. The madrasa showcases classic Islamic architecture, featuring intricate tile work, beautiful domes, and overall symmetry that are typical of the region's historical buildings. It was named after Abdul-Kasim Sheikh, a respected figure in Islamic scholarship, and served as a center for higher education in Islamic studies, history, and other disciplines related to the Muslim faith. Beyond its academic role, the madrasa is a cultural landmark and a place for community engagement, continuing to draw students and visitors interested in its history and teachings. But now it is a center of arts and crafts. It was reopened with craftsmen inside. Tashkent City Congress Hall is a modern venue specifically designed to host large-scale conferences, exhibitions, and cultural events. The Congress Hall features contemporary architectural design with state-of-the-art facilities, including spacious conference rooms, auditoriums, and exhibition spaces equipped with advanced audiovisual technology. The venue is ideal for a variety of events, such as international conferences, business meetings, cultural performances, and academic gatherings. It has been designed to accommodate both large audiences and smaller, more intimate meetings. Situated in the heart of Tashkent, the Congress Hall is easily accessible and is part of a broader initiative to enhance the city's infrastructure and promote it as a hub for international events. As I drive toward the Chimgan Mountains, my excitement builds with every passing kilometer. The journey begins with lush rolling hills and fields dotted with vibrant wildflowers, creating a picturesque landscape that feels alive under the sun. The air is fresh, and I can already sense the change in altitude. There's a crispness that invigorates my spirit. As we approach the foothills, the mountains rise majestically in the distance, their rugged peaks framed against a bright blue sky. I can't help but feel a sense of awe at the sheer scale of the mountains, their heights cloaked in patches of green pine forests and rocky outcrops. The anticipation of adventure fills me with energy as I admire this breathtaking tableau. Each twist and turn along the road offers a new perspective, revealing deeper valleys and the stunning contrast of the dark mountains with the sparkling rivers winding through them. I roll down the window, and the cool breeze carries with it the unmistakable scent of pine and earth, a reminder of the natural wonders that await me. Amirsay is a scenic area located near Tashkent, known for its beautiful landscape and outdoor recreational opportunities. It is situated in the mountains, offering breathtaking views and a variety of activities for nature lovers and adventure seekers. The Amirsay region is characterized by lush greenery, rugged mountains, and serene landscapes. It's an ideal spot for those looking to escape the hustle and bustle of urban life. Visitors to Amirsay can enjoy a range of activities, including hiking, trekking, and picnicking. Chimgan Cable Car is a popular attraction located in the Chimgan Mountains near Tashkent. This cable car offers stunning views of the surrounding mountains and valleys, making it a favored destination for both locals and tourists looking to experience the natural beauty of the region. The cable car provides a picturesque ride, giving passengers panoramic views of the Chimgan Mountains, especially spectacular during the winter months when the peaks are covered in snow. The cable car serves as a gateway to various outdoor activities, including hiking, skiing, and mountain climbing. The area is known for its beautiful trails and slopes, catering to different skill levels. While the cable car is especially popular in winter for skiing, it also operates in the summer months, allowing visitors to enjoy hiking and the scenic beauty of the mountains. Located about 80 kilometers from Tashkent, the Chimgan cable car is easily accessible by car, making it a convenient day trip for those living in or visiting the capital. Visiting the Chimgan cable car is a great way to experience the natural landscape of Uzbekistan and engage in various recreational activities. In winter, Amirsay is also popular for skiing and snowboarding, with facilities available for winter sports enthusiasts. There is a ski resort in the area that typically offers skiing and snowboarding facilities, with rental options for equipment and lessons for beginners. Amirsay is located approximately 60 kilometers from Tashkent, making it a convenient destination for a day trip or a weekend getaway. The Chimgan Mountains are a picturesque mountain range located near Tashkent and are part of the larger Western Tian Shan mountain system. Known for their stunning natural beauty, the Chimgan Mountains are a popular destination for both locals and tourists seeking outdoor recreation and breathtaking landscapes. The mountains are characterized by rugged peaks, lush valleys, and scenic vistas, making them ideal for photography and nature appreciation. The Chimgan region offers a variety of outdoor activities. There are numerous trails suitable for different skill levels, allowing visitors to explore the natural beauty of the area. In winter, the Chimgan Mountains become a hub for winter sports enthusiasts. The area features ski resorts offering skiing, snowboarding, and other winter activities. The region is not only known for its natural beauty, but also its cultural heritage, with various historical sites and local traditions that reflect the region's rich history. The Chimgan Mountains are a fantastic destination for anyone looking to explore the natural landscapes of Uzbekistan while enjoying a range of recreational activities. Whether you're interested in winter sports or summer hiking, the Chimgan Mountains offer a memorable experience. Charvak Lake, situated in the foothills of the Chimgan Mountains, and is known for its stunning turquoise waters and picturesque surroundings. Charvak Lake is framed by the majestic Chimgan Mountains, offering breathtaking views and a serene atmosphere. The combination of mountains and clear water creates a scenic backdrop perfect for photography. The area around Charvak Lake provides numerous opportunities for outdoor fun. Charvak Lake is easily accessible by car, making it a popular destination for day trips and weekend getaways. Charvak Lake is an excellent destination for anyone looking to enjoy the natural beauty of Uzbekistan and engage in various outdoor activities. It offers a perfect blend of relaxation and adventure in a stunning setting. The Ramada Tashkent Hotel is close to the main tourist attractions. Navras Park is across the road. You can see the park from your hotel room. The park is an amusement park with miniature landmarks and buildings depicting various Uzbek cultures, plus rides.